Whether you're a first-time investor or an experienced one, getting professional real estate advice can be invaluable in helping you make the right decisions about your investments. The first step to successful real estate investing is to evaluate the options available and determine the best course of action. Professional realtors have access to a range of resources that will help when it comes to getting access to and selecting the best properties for investment, including off-market, distress, and even assignment deals. They can provide advice based on extensive market analysis and trends, which can help protect your investments from potential losses in the near future. Experienced realtors also understand local zoning and building regulations that can impact how you structure your investments. For more videos like this, please follow and like this video. Thanks for watching.